Okay, first of all, you're heading to England right now. Your thoughts about the situation, seeing all of the community.
Yes, I'm very excited. We went to Birmingham last year and I'm excited to go back again to see all our Kapamitas and our Kabayans in the UK.
Every time you come to a different country, you bring a piece of the Philippines sa mga tawag sa mga OFWs, sa UK, kasi dahil mga artists, mga kapamilya.
Actually, for me, it's the other way around. I always bring a piece of the stories of our fellow Filipinos abroad. It grounds me, and at the same time, it really reminds me how hardworking we are.
And yesterday, when sitting here, for sure naabang kayo ng fans sa Birmingham.
Ayan, medyo iba naman yung performance namin. I'm sure maraming matutuwa at magugulat dito sa gagawin.
Thank you so much, Paolo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure lang po.
Bawi na! Bye! Ingat ka! Bye! Ingat, Paolo! Ingat, Pao!
You like singing guitar?
But I have a photo.
Bawal